Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to understand what are data types and how are they different from data structures. We will also cover some of the common data types. So without further delay, let's get started. So what are data types? Data types are ways in which we categorize information in a computer. For example, numbers are stored as integer data type, real numbers are stored as double data type, and any text information is stored as a string data type. Following are the data types which you will encounter almost always in computer programming and while working as a software developer. Integer, for example, numbers like 2, 3, 4, and 5, double or float data type. For example, any real numbers or fractional numbers like 2.33, 4.0, 5.556. There is string data type, for example, hello world. So what's the difference between data types and data structures? The key difference between them is a data type is a way to organize and store information of same or different data types. So in other words, we can think of data structures as a collection of data types. For example, we can have an array data structure of integer data types or array data structure of string data types. Array is used in this example as a reference. Essentially, an array is just a sequence of values of the same data type. If this definition seems confusing, don't worry, we will cover arrays in more detail later in this course. Until then, happy learning.